name is Miri Sethi. Today I'm going to discuss about 5 rules to be successful. First rule is have a clear goal. Have a clear goal. Your dream without goal is just like a dream. They never fulfill. Your dream without goal is just like a dream. They never fulfill. That's why you must have clear goal. You must have a clarity what you want to achieve. You must have a clarity what you want to achieve. Those people have a clear goal. They are going to succeed. So you must have a clear goal. Second, love your work. Second most important rule to success is that love your work. If you love your work, you can succeed. On the other hand, if you don't like your work, you never succeed. You must love your work. Suppose you want to establish your career, you want to make your career in sports, you must love sports. You should not running behind other people. You should select a goal according to your passion, according to your interest, according to your desire. You should not run behind other people. You should select a goal, you should select work which you love. Okay, that is second rule of success. Love your work. If you love your work, you are going to succeed. Okay, second most important rule is that. Third is that specialized specialized in one particular area. Okay, third step to success is that specialized in one particular area. You must have one particular area, because specialization make you leader in your field. Specialization make you expert in your field. That's why specialization is must. Suppose you want to establish your career in sports. Okay, you want to establish your career in sports. There are so many sports: football, volleyball, cricket. You have to select one particular sport. You have to select one area of specialization. Suppose you want to establish your career in sports, then you have to select one particular sport in which you want to establish your career. That is third step to success. You must be select any specialization, because specialization make you leader in your field. Specialization make you expert in your field. That is third most important step. Fourth is believe in teamwork. You cannot succeed alone. Okay, you need support of other people. You cannot succeed alone. You need support of other people. That's why help other people. They will help you back. Okay, you must believe on teamwork. You should support other people. Okay, that is fourth rule of success. Then fifth, provide service before expecting money. Provide service before expecting money. Your success is measured by quality of service you provide to other. Your success is measured by quality of service you provide to other. A teacher is successful because he providing good quality education to student. A doctor is successful because he providing good treatment to patient. A businessman is successful because he provide good service to customer. Your success is measured by quality of service you provide to other. Okay, that's why before expecting money, try to providing quality of service to other. Then you will, then firstly you get success, then you can earn money. Okay, with your success you can earn money. Okay, that's why focus on providing good quality service to other. I think you understand this step. Thank you.